The BAG school system planned today for your tomorrow. KG to metric, academic environment, Oxford syllabus, career counseling.
We build confidence in our students. This is our key to success. And through this we can safeguard one of the most important ingredient to success, and that is motivation.
We know that classroom environment is a second teacher for any student, so we provide them a healthy environment. We warmly welcome them and build confidence among them.
Admissions open. Proper science lab.
In the BAG, we make all efforts to provide our students with an environment that helps them in shaping their personality.
I will join army. मैं बड़े होकर पायलट बनूंगा. I want to become a doctor.
We are proud Tabakians.
Join the BAG and become part of the BAG family. Admissions are now open. Main campus 100 Main Shamnagar Road. Junior campus 55B New Chubuji Park.